Hallo maatjies.
Goeiemôre, middag, aand, naand. Dag?
Naand.
Goeiedag.
Goeiedag.
Hallo.
Hoe gaan? Hoe gaan
Happy
het
New
met-
Year, Merry Christmas.
Compliments of the new year.
And happy
Daar is
birthday.
mense.
What are you saying?
There's people.
It's okay. He has earphones in. He's only looking. He can't hear us.
Exactly. It's
Oh.
fine.
We're like mimes to him.
Yeah.
Sorry, plant.
Anyways, compliments of the new year, Yella.
What
How are you?
movements were you doing now?
What? Oh, the mime. What did you think I was
No,
doing?
listen. I looked over as you finished doing.
Oh yeah, so I was doing the box and then
Yeah, and then when I looked, you were like, hello. And so it was just like,
Ash?
en ek wil maakie saak, ons gaan aan.
Yeah.
We moved to an island.
Yes, the island of what is your New Year's resolution?
The island of my New Year's
Of your
resolutions.
resolutions.
You guys, it's a new year, it's a new me. No, dis nie selfde Clarice, but I do actually have New Year's resolutions. I don't always make them because I never keep to them, né? So they're very loose.
Verstaan.
Don't take them ernstig because ek doen nie. Wat ek geskryf? Oh, I found them.
I'm glad.
So 2025 taught me, I think it taught a lot of us, that 2026 is the year of more hating. None of us were hating properly.
We need to hate more.
Yeah.
Mm.
I am living up to my mentor's expectations.
Who
My
is your
mentor,
I have a hating mentor too.
50 Cent.
Wel.
He was hating for hating. Verstaan? Hy weet. Hy weet
Weet
hoe.
om te haat.
And I need to follow his example.
Hmm.
Want, ja, he did better than Netflix's own documentary.
Crazy. No, he did.
Well done. Lekker 50.
Mine's Azalea Banks. Love her.
Uh,
Professional hater, that one.
is it? Who
Anyway,
was she hating on?
The gays.
Rarig!
We all love her for that.
Lekker Zaylee.
I'll show you some stuff
Please
after.
show me a picture of her. I have no idea what she looks like.
Picture will be
O genade.
die grassie.
I almost lost die grassie. Gebroken.
She made that song. It's at the eye. You know that one? No.
The seizure song. No, but I do. It sounds bekend. Rarig. Ja, het is die family
nothing,
of
it's-
Tyra. Also Banks.
No.
Nee.
I
okay.
don't know.
Actually.
Sorry. We will check.
Please, no cancellations for being
Unaware.
imbeciles. Ek weet nie.
Yeah, Amanda Banks. That one.
Yeah.
Yes, this
Yeah.
is her. Yeah, so she was calling out the gays. And she was
More for
saying
you, girl.
More for you. But yes. So
Make
we need
that
to
money,
hate more.
Make that bag. Yeah, we're hating more. We need to. Man. The forest is attacking me.
Okay, I thought this was a go-go.
En jy?
What?
Jou beurt?
Oh,
Gooi
I'm
my een
perfect the way I am.
Is that your resolution?
No, I'm joking. No, I personally, I try and always have a resolution. Always have a. I don't see why the new year has to govern when we all change. If there's something you want, do it on it. You don't have to wait for the 1st
Ja,
of
luister
January.
vir Gandhi. He knows what
Yeah,
he's
if you want to start gymming in March, go do it. You don't have to wait for 1 Jan.
No one is ever gonna start
And
anyway.
it will also be emptier.
By March, because everyone that they made a
Everyone's-
New Year resolution to gym
Exactly.
will not be there.
Just
Geloof.
be your best self every day.
anymore.
And also hate.
En hy.
Yes. You
Okay,
can
that's
do
a
two
goeie
things.
resolution. That's a good one. That's a lekker. So then also 2026 is gonna be my I don't know what they call it these days, but all I can remember is like around 2016 when we all used to say boss girl. I'm gonna be a fucking boss girl. I'm
Was
gonna
that the plus meisie?
no boss BOSS.
Boss.
Ja.
Okay. So the tomatie en tomato.
Tomaties, yeah. But in elk geval, I'm gonna work very hard because I'm gonna make geld.
We must.
Yes.
We need to be the sugar mama and the sugar
Yeah.
daddy.
So we're gonna be on
Fine.
it.
Anyways,
Okay, fine.
anything else?
Yeah, one last one. This year we are doing less crying. Clarice has a problem with her hormones. Luister, laat ek vir jou sê. We've known for long I have a problem with my hormones. But something is regtig not going reg.
Reg.
It is askew. It is.
Please tell the class why.
I'll share with the group what has happened recently. So yesterday was the first day of work for me since festive season. So I was off
She's
work
been off.
until the 8th. It was baie lekker.
I was
Very
working.
nice. He was working because he didn't have leave days.
I was saving them.
Yeah, so he didn't have enough leave days. Anyway, so I was off doing absolutely nothing most
I
of the
was
time.
so bored.
Né? And then also the day before I started work was my birthday. It was a lovely day. I did exactly what I wanted to do, which was fuck all. Now I start work the 8th. It was in my head set I'm gonna go in early. Like I'm leaving home 7:15. I'm gonna be at the office before 8 even.
You know, you
I can
productive.
so I can really get into this thing. Werk hard, because New Year's resolution was I'm gonna be
A
I
harder
almost
worker.
said pumping it, but I'm gonna be sweating it. You're not pumping it.
Gaan het naai.
Nee. Anyway. In elk geval. So I come out 7:15 in die môre. Brennan gets in his car and he leaves. He's also going to work. I'm like, okay, lekker. Nee, bye. I start walking to the car. Gremlin, I don't know if you guys can see him. Decides he's coming with me. He wants to come saam. Ek weet nie hoekom. Maar he follows me all the way into the road. I'm like, so dit gaan nie werk nie. So I have to pick him up, bring him back into the house, and then like hope he stays long enough for me to leave, because I don't want to close him inside because he's a free little baby. He's a free spirit.
Yes.
In elk geval. I get into my car, he hasn't come out, I start reversing, next thing I see is a fucking lightning bolt all the way up the tree. And then he was gestuck. Apparently toe nie gestuck nie, because he did it the next time, maar dit maak nou nie saak nie. In that moment, he was gestuck in my kop.
And which tree was it? Daai een?
Wat groot ene. And he was up daar bo.
I would have
way at the top.
thrown.
Yeah, Cameron says throw things at him. Nee. Now the wind is like really also blowing. So with the cat, I can see his nails like digging into the tree while he sways like this on the tree branch. I'm like, oh God, he's gonna do it. I start crying hysterically. Honestly, it was too much.
You were just feeling tender.
People are walking by eventually.
Yeah, Clarice has a very busy complex.
Yeah, it's baie besig. There's lots of people living here.
And this is like on the corner.
Yeah, and so if you want to leave, you come past here to leave. Eventually, like some of the gardeners come by, and I'm like, "Do you guys have a ladder?" This is what they look like. They're laughing at me, and I'm crying because my little 13-week-old kitten is honestly, how far is that? If you could
that's
say
about
that's
like 3 meters.
3 meters in the air. I am not 3 meters long, julle.
No, wait, that's more. 4.
It's bietjie meer because the door is 2, so it's a 3.5, maybe 4 at most. At dis nie 4 nie.
Between 3.5 and 4 meters.
Ja, iewerste daar, maar in elk geval. Hulle lag vir my. Which selfde as die ander mense that's driving past in their cars. And I can't come stand in front of my house to cry because then I cannot see the cat dangling for his life. The worm then jumped into the tree like a fucking. Honestly, he was a cat. He jumped into the tree and then got the cat out for me. I don't know. How did he? So he took like hold of those two because he was also a lot taller than me. Yeah. He pulled himself fucking up there. Strong.
Strong man.
Ja, nee, kyk. The tree is now treeing with me.
Yes.
Ja, but in elk geval so my hormones is nie okay nie.
No, but that's understandable. When your hormones are there and then something like that happens.
Yeah.
Sure.
It was not lekker.
Sorry.
And then I had to go to the office nog steeds because it was my first day of work, you guys.
Gotta show up for work no matter what.
Oh, at least my boss was sympathetic when I told her about the cat.
Oh, but she is.
No.
So.
No.
Anyways, how was your birthday?
Lekker! It was so nice. We went to Salsa here in Bedford View.
Yes.
Yeah, we went to Doso, Mexican place. Nice one, yeah. We had a taco, a quesadilla, and a nusho. I was very flippin' lucky, you guys. Also, I had a margarita. Dit was my toon.
Ek dink dit was die gras.
Dink jy die gras fell on my toon?
No. This fell on the grass. Anyway, please continue.
I always get my margarita. It's what I drink. It's what I like. Margarita is my maatjie. Salsa has this thing. It's called a por favor. Did you hear?
A por favor?
Yeah.
Is that the thing where it's
no? It's a margarita. It's a margarita with guava juice. Julle, dis lekker. This is so nice. It doesn't taste like alcohol. This is so lekker.
That sounds very nice. Oh. I don't normally like guava, but sometimes when it's in a cocktail, it's actually very nice.
I love those guava ices.
They make my throat itchy.
You make my throat itchy.
Sure, okay.
So your birthday is almost.
Amper. Yeah, whoever, one of my families listening, white socks, please.
He wants white socks.
White socks.
I'll bring white socks to conference. Are we leaving the day of your birthday or are we
No, we're leaving on the 19th.
No, but I'm coming back.
Oh, yeah, next day.
Yeah.
Yeah. They better get me a cake. I'm joking. I don't eat cake.
I'm gonna tell them they must bring a cake.
Yeah, no, even
I'll tell
Flicker said, yeah.
She'll do it.
She wants to.
So.
Anyways, yeah, so we are getting very old this year.
Oh, this is oud. Jy is older than ek. Ek is 24 nou.
Ek is ook 24.
Ja, and then in a paar dae when it's your birthday,
jy is nie 'n paar dae later. Nou nie. Ek weet nie wat ek sê nie. Anyway, it is not my birthday yet. Ago I am 24.
But it's almost your birthday. How old will you be then? Dis wat ek vra.
25.
Oh, so I thought you were going to say 24 and a little bit.
No, I won't be a cock.
Your brain will finally be developed. Congratulations.
Yay! Now I got brain premium.
I've upgraded my subscription.
Yeah, no, when your frontal lobe fully develops, it's hell.
I'm scared how... You must tell me how you wake up feeling.
You don't want to get out of bed.
Is it? Or you get depressed?
Not depressed. It's just like you don't want to like leave for the horrors of the day. You're like, I'm scared.
Throw a bone at it, please.
I'll give it a bone, Sharon.
Give it a bone, Shannon. Listen.
We need to talk about the world.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Look at me. Look at me.
We need to talk about the world. The social and economic state of the world.
Oh my gosh, you guys, we have some geopolitics happening and it's not okay because we are included in South Africa.
Unfortunately, why does Trump have to fucking just take like all the cup together? Everyone's not getting involved because of his fucking.
There's a gogga very close to you. It's his spies.
Yeah, no, they're watching us.
It's like when the pigeons were spying.
The pigeons work for the bourgeoisie.
For real. Gelukkig we are in Johannesburg, so we're in the center. We're not really close to where the shit is happening right now. But they are doing drills.
As of today.
As of datum.
Maybe drills.
Okay, not datum of release, because this is probably only releasing very late after this. Ma.
We are getting better.
Yeah. Try. It's a new year. We were on holiday, okay? Give us a bone. Thank you.
Yeah.
China and Russia and ons, which is South Africa.
BRICS.
Yeah, we are doing a drill to see if we can
work together
as a one.
I hope we can. Because
why is Trump gevatting ander mense se speelgoed?
En mense work.
Yeah, why is it fatting mense?
That's a big van 'n probleem.
I mean, America does have a history of buying people
and just taking people because they're criminals because they don't believe in God.
Yeah, it was a whole thing. Did you see I saw post? It's doing scary things.
No, very scary.
It's marking for my bang. Luckily, I'm a woman with a science degree, so they won't ask me.
They won't be able to pull the veil over your eyes, yeah.
No, but they can't ask me to go pew pew in the war because I'm going to have to be making all the chemical weapons.
But
you too.
Oh yes.
Yeah, you're also not gonna go pew pew because you have a degree in sciencey things.
Yes. Yeah. No, I'll just make sure.
My boyfriend, however.
Undercock. Yeah. Do you know?
At least you are in South Africa, so you won't get sent because of
our drama. Because I'm gay. Can't. But did you see China? They hacked into the Congress people's email accounts.
Yeah, ek het gesien.
So now everyone's telling them, please release the Epstein files. All of the Epstein files.
Yeah, everything without all of the redactions that are not valid.
So now they think that the Venezuela thing is just to distract from the Epstein issue.
Yeah, but obviously. 100%. Because he doesn't want to tell us what he was doing.
Op die
island. I didn't go there. I just went to Saint Paul. What is that bar? Saint something.
Fucking, I don't know. I'm tired of his lies.
You know, because of, I don't know if you saw this, but because of this whole thing that Trump did now in Venezuela, that the billionaires that went to Saint something island for New Year's can't get back. They are stuck over there because the travel is most forbidden.
Oh, fuck.
Hulle is gestuck daar and majority of the billionaires went for this year's New Year's.
I don't know what. This was that where the
all the billionaires go. Yes. There's like a yacht party and stuff for New Year's. I don't know what it's called. Saint Bartholomew's, is it not?
Yes. Oh, imagine being a fly on the wall there.
Yo.
Crazy.
I would like to just see.
Yo. Not be there, but I want just.
Yeah, I want to be a fly and then also sit on someone's half-gesnufte lyntjie or have a stukkie of someone's glass of absinthe, you know, net. Yeah, no, you're a fly, you don't need a lot. Net so.
But imagine how pure that cocaine is.
And then you
having
fly
that
away.
Kind of money.
Yeah, man. I can't even imagine it.
100%. Yeah, no, fuck. Anyways,
It's scary. Everyone must just be prepared, is what we're saying.
Yes.
The dinge is for real.
Yeah, it's seeming like a war's amper.
Good.
Yeah, tensions are
The tension is
beginning. And now he wants to take Greenland.
Ah, la la la
What?
la. Apparently for security of NATO, but also Denmark said that if they do, then there's no NATO. How come my boys say then for
Yeah.
what are you doing in my plant, man? Are you gonna have a Is he gonna use it as a bathroom? I'm going to use you as a fucking bathroom.
But did you hear they said shoot first, ask questions later?
Denmark.
Denmark. For the US, if like US are on there once,
we're shooting.
Shoot first, ask questions later.
Lekker. Ja. As ek jou sien, skiet ek jou.
Net sommer. And now France, I saw France was joining in those plans. Here's the kicker, right? France is the only nuclear country in its nuclear doctrine says it can fire a nuke as a warning shot. As a warning.
As a warning. Warning. What do you mean? What do you mean?
That's fucking scary.
Excusez-moi, please. S'il vous plaît, excusez-moi. Sorry, c'est bien. Yeah, it's nice. It's different.
It's unusual.
It's unusual.
It's not. It's different. It's unusual. It's not.
Yeah, no, I wonder what's because I don't think we've ever like. Do you think it moves the planet? Like, do you think we'd feel like there was like a nuke set off in America?
Depending on, it's not gonna hit, and America is baie te ver, and also Denmark is too far up for us to feel anything. We are baie south. Ons is onder.
Yeah. Hopefully nothing happens, yeah, because Ash,
hulle is op die fucking see, Chommy.
But they can fly. They've got the fucking.
Can we fly? Do we?
No, ours don't work. But the nice thing is because Johannesburg is so fucking groot, and then there's Pretoria and you're gonna set off a nuke there, and
I feel like they're gonna aim for like Centurion. That's what they're gonna see as like the center, because that's also where G20 was. So they're gonna.
They normally try and aim for airports.
Yeah, that's fucking bad for me. Hello, our Tambo is daar. Ek kom daar in 10 minutes. I'll die heel eerste, Cameron. Jy sal maybe okay wees. How far away are you from
our Tambo? About 40 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not even half of your time. I'm so naby aan our Tambo.
Naby.
Nee, I don't want to die. Please, julle ken ons nie.
Can we all just breathe?
In the kop. I'm sorry. I don't mean to say it. Maar kan ons
just be scary.
They need to tell us where it's gonna land so that I can fuck off.
Oh yes, yeah, that's the whole point of war, is they let the country know beforehand. We are going to bomb you.
No, but like our intelligence needs to fucking somehow figure out that there is
something.
So it's either Russia or China's fucking radar is gonna have to pick again on my situation. Someone is gonna have to pick up that it's coming. Because if it's coming for you, so I'm fucking terug to the Free State.
Oh yeah. They're not gonna do anything. No, they might.
What are they gonna? No. Okay, but even if they hit Bloem, I'm gonna be in. It's not hitting me. You wanna come with? We can go to Odie.
In the mountains.
Sister Zamas are gonna get you. We'll just hide in the house.
Oh yes. No, we'll be fine. Oh. But yeah. Imagine, guys, why are we using nukes? Let's just not. Let's.
I don't think they are using nukes yet. We are probably now.
I just feel like it's gonna get.
Don't skit my yalla nia. I just turned 24. No need.
I'm nearly 25.
Ja, jy sal amper oud.
ongeskik. Anyway, that's your news today. And I'm joking.
Thank you for tuning in. It was lovely seeing you, and we'll speak to you again soon.
Now on to sport. Anyway,
do we know anything about sport?
I know, just going to someone else.
Wow.
Yeah. Thank you for handing over, Cameron. Thank you for tuning into sports today.
As for sports, we know nothing because we're a fairy
and a pope.